Just like moonshine.
Where are you going?
I'm going to get some sleep.
Morning, Hank.
Morning, Sheriff.
He's been around?
Yeah, he's in the barn.
Thanks. Sleeping a little overtime, ain't you? Hey, you got a real nice new bedroom here, Ben.
What are you doing?
Hey, boy! I just came out to see how you boys are getting along with Madame Marova. Now, don't tell me. Just see if I can figure it out for myself. You two are sleeping out here in the barn, so Hoss must still be playing that fiddle. And then you paid that gypsy woman to try to talk him out of playing it, but it didn't work. And when I come in, I didn't see her wagon out there nowhere, so just maybe she didn't get here.
Roy, you are a marvelous detective. You ought to try running for sheriff sometime. We'll find that woman if it's the last thing we do.
It just seems to me that the last I saw, little Joe had the madam in his custody. What about that boy?
You're right. You're right, Roy. It was my fault. I let her make a fool out of me.
Ben, let me ask you something. I and you and little Joe and Hoss, you figure we're kind of the same kind of folks?
Well, I think so.
Well, Madame Marova figured the same thing, and she took me for better than $100 in a poker game. Now, I wouldn't have that female in my jail again if you give me the whole Ponderosa.
She took you for $100?
Roy, we are the same kind of folks.
What is that?
What do you think it is?
Hoss. Well, Ben, if it was me, I think I'd get him a teacher. There's a new one in town, a Miss Dorothy Hibbs.
Violin teacher?
Yeah, she teaches the violin and piano.
You know, that's not a bad idea, Pop. Except since we laughed at him, he won't play for anybody except Pop sing.
There must be some way to do it. Must be.
Well, sure, you just take him into that Miss Hibbs, let her hear him. When she tells him he's awful, he's bound to quit.
Oh, he's not going to go into town and play for somebody in town. He won't play for anybody here except Hop sing. If I went into town and talked her into coming out here to listen to him, maybe you could